In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze a column in Notion. Now, if you're someone who uses Notion regularly, you know how helpful it can be in organizing information. But sometimes when you're working with tables with multiple columns, it can be a bit overwhelming to keep track of everything, especially when you need to scroll horizontally. So freezing a column can be incredibly useful. It keeps key information visible while you can navigate through the rest of your table. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll need to open your Notion workspace. It doesn't matter if you're using the desktop application or accessing it directly from your web browser. The steps are exactly the same. Once you're in, navigate to the page or database where your table is located. This will be the area where you want to freeze a column to keep it visible at all times. Now that you've got the table in front of you, let's identify the column you want to freeze. Click on the heading of your desired column. This action will highlight the column and reveal a downward arrow, or options menu, usually conveniently located at the top of the column. It's important to remember which column has essential information that you'll want to keep visible at all times as you scroll through the table. Click on the Options menu to open the list of available actions for your column. Look for the Freeze option, which will be in this drop-down menu. When you click Freeze, the selected column will now stay in place, regardless of how you move or scroll across the table. This is super helpful if you use that column for reference, or need it for comparison with other data points in your database. Some additional tips to enhance your experience. Remember that Notion frequently updates its features to improve user experience, so there might be changes in layouts or steps in future updates. Therefore, always explore any new tools or settings that appear, as they might offer even more functionality to your workspace. Also, if you want to unfreeze a column, just return to the Options menu of the frozen column and select Unfreeze. This action will revert the column to its regular state, allowing all your columns to move freely again. That's it. Freezing a column can vastly improve your workflow and efficiency in managing data in Notion. It's a quick and easy way to ensure that important information is always within your view, making it much more convenient to analyze or compare data. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.